Hey everyone, and welcome back to GoHighLevel 360. In this video, I wanted to do a quick how-to tutorial for those of you who are wanting to put your community on your website to have it live. So I'm using one of my clients' websites. This is Wheels of Laughter. So this is a podcast actually for truck drivers. And so what we wanted to do was we wanted to be able to have a live community of truck drivers where they could share stories, directions, best places to eat on the road, just a place where they could, communicate with each other. So we went ahead and added our community to the website. So if I click on driver chat room, it's actually going to open up the community where I could instantly start communicating back and forth with other truck drivers. And the way we did this as well is if you aren't a part of this community and you haven't signed up for this group yet, it will give you the option to sign up or log in on the right hand side. Now, because I'm a part of this community, you don't see that here, but it will do that. And I'm going to show you how we did this. So it's really simple. What we did was we went into our memberships tab of GoHighLevel. We went into our communities. And so if you haven't already, the first thing you want to do is actually create your own group. When you click on create group here, it's going to have you give it a name. You can give it a URL slug. So this is the slug that shows up, as you can see here, CMV-drivers. So that is that URL slug. So you're going to want to add your URL slug here. You're going to add a brief description. You can also adjust the brand colors, and you can upload a favicon logo, and the favicon is what's going to appear at the top here on this tab. That is your favicon logo. Now the cover image, so here, this would be your cover image. And then if you did have a logo, your logo would appear in the center of this cover image here. So go ahead and create your group first. And then once you have your group created, you can actually go into your community settings. And here you have the option. This is your subdomain and then a custom domain. So the first option you have here, normally with your subdomain, is this is going to contain a series of numbers and letters. You can easily remove them and insert a custom subdomain. So we put Wheels of Laughter because it resonates with the site. You can do whatever resonates for you. And then you're going to hit update domain. And what you want to do is copy this link here. And you would open up a new tab, go ahead and paste this link. And if you haven't already, it's going to take you to a login screen where you can log in. If you are a member, it should take you to your client portal here. But what you want to do is you want to actually go to home, or not home, you want to go to this 3 or 9 dots here, and you want to go to communities. And then here, it's going to give you this link at the top. This is the link that you're going to want. So this is the link that you're going to copy. And then when you go back into high level, you go to your sites, go to your website tab, select your website, and then go into edit. Whatever page contains your navigational menu. If you're using a global section, it should have your navigational menu on all pages. Go ahead and select your element here for navigation, and then scroll down to whichever menu item you would like to add this link to. If you don't have a menu item, you're just going to add item real quick, give it a name. So like ours, we did driver chat room, and then you're going to select go to website URL, and here's where you're going to paste in that URL. And then once you're done, you're going to make sure to hit save and hit publish. All right, now once you've published that, you should be able to preview your website. And now when you go to the menu item that you just linked, go ahead and click on it. It should take you directly to the community preview here. If you haven't already joined your community, it'll give you the option on the right hand side to sign up or to log in. And that is how you can add your community directly to your website. That is all for this video. If you guys have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you liked this video, leave a like. And if you want to see more GoHighLevel how-tos and tutorials, subscribe to my channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.